Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing another brand new listing in Shadow Hills Villas in North Indio, 83820 Tierra Court. Come on in. The interior of the property is just under 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, interior laundry room. You have some upgraded floor in the living room, nice high ceilings, big 9,100 square foot lot right in the back of the cul-de-sac. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in North Indio at 83820 Tierra Court. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct.